Okay, now that everything's been removed from the opening, all the sashes and the tracks, all we have left to do is check the opening to make sure that there's nothing that's going to interfere with the new window going in place and make sure it's clean. Okay, now that I've got the window opening prepared, I'm going to check the window opening for level, and then all we have to do is set the window and continue from there. Get on close. Looks good on there. Looks good over here. And the opening itself is really good. The sill of the opening.